What is up, Hack? It's Awesome with another adventure. We are going to be exploring the Springfield Psychiatric Hospital yet again. This is the first time I'm filming a abandoned place with my new camera setup, so I'm super stoked to kind of see how it performs. Right now, guys, I'm not using any lighting. It's crazy. I literally have the street lights over here just lighting up my face, so I have high hopes for this camera. Another thing I do want to just quickly say, I am starting to write a book and some stories about the adventures, so stay tuned on that. I'm hoping that I'll take a few pictures, and then I think I'll eventually read the stories with the pictures, to kind of just kind of do something different. And we do have our paranormal activity, our all our gadgets and whatnot. But anyway, enough talk. Let's get into this place. I haven't been in a abandoned place in a long while, so I can't wait to get into it. I see the camera's having a little trouble focusing, but yeah, that's weird. It's probably just because I'm on 4K and this camera's not high dollar, but yeah, we'll see what we can do. I guess we gotta use a little bit brighter light, but that's almost too much. So guys, I don't know what it is. I think I'm losing my nerve. I don't know. Guys, you've seen some of my videos. I've explored places, I've been to places alone, but for some reason the past couple times, it's been rough trying to work up the courage to go to some of these places, and I feel like I haven't been using my full potential. And this isn't any different. I'm literally standing. What is that? I'm literally standing in on the streets of the Springfield Psychiatric Hospital. I know the way in. I just can't bring myself to do it. I don't know. But I do wanna test out this camera a little bit. So let me just flip the screen around. I mean, that's the place. That's the other building. I don't know if you can see it, but and I'm already hearing this stuff. I'm gonna come here with Peter next week, and we're gonna do some Ouija board stuff. But I passed by this building that's like right in front of me. I'm not gonna show it to you because it's if I shine the light over there, I'm afraid that it might draw some attention. But I walked past it and I immediately heard a big bang, so I think their paranormal activity is definitely here. But yeah, I'm gonna shut off the light, put my camera gear, climb away. We're just gonna kind of, as we walk, we'll I don't know if my EMF reader has been turned on. The lights aren't as bright as they usually seem, but we're just gonna kind of use the EMF meter, and as we walk, we're gonna just look for spikes. Like I said, guys, I think I'm losing my nerve. Because this place is right here, we're in it. And I just can't bring myself to explore, inside of it. Like, this is pretty much taking like all of my courage, and it's ridiculous because this place is literally right here. I don't know, guys. I hate to do this, but I think I'm gonna bug out. That was just me turning it off. I still have to learn this camera. Yeah, guys, kind of hate to say it. I think I'm losing my nerve, guys. I don't know. Trying to find the last place we actually like properly explored. The attempt at Loudoun County State Prison was 3 months ago. Glendale was like 4 months ago, and that was pretty much like a proper explore. But guys, it's been a while. I don't know. I mean, I don't know if maybe I would have went in if it's the let me have that. Yeah, I don't know if I went to the West State Asylum. I don't know if it's anything like paranormal, but I don't know. I feel like I'm losing my nerve a little bit. I mean, we haven't been on a proper explore in I think it said 4 months. So I don't know if maybe I'm losing my nerve. Because I've been here alone before, and I've been here with other people before, but I don't know. I just feel like I haven't had kind of the same drive to get into places alone as I've had in a while. I'm gonna try to see if and since we and since obviously we did not get into the place, I'm not gonna write anything about it. I'm just trying to see the last place I went to alone was because if memory serves, it's been a while. The last video I can see that I definitely went to alone was the Hilltop Hotel, and that's saying that it was like 6 months ago. Which I don't know what that says, if it says anything. Maybe I'm losing my nerve. Maybe I gotta, I don't know, maybe I gotta continuously do, the crazy crap that I do, and I don't know. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. I might post this just to kind of be real with you guys. I do have some Ouija board stuff coming up hopefully soon. Obviously there's not going to be any writing about this. I'm not going to write a whole thing out and then be like, oh, I got there and I didn't go in. I could have went in, but I didn't because I chickened out. But yeah, I mean, and this is also what kind of irritates me, is because, you know, we finally have an awesome camera. I mean, guys, I don't know if you can appreciate this, but my GoPro would not do this. Yeah, it would pick up maybe the light, but not the trees, not any of that. That blue stuff is a reflection on the window. But I mean, this is a boss camera. I mean, whoa, whoa, whoa. I mean, I don't know. I guess I'm a chicken. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go to just Harper's Ferry and just kind of test out the camera tonight. I don't know. Pete, the Ouija board expert, is going to be with us. We're gonna come here again next week. So yeah, there will be video of this place soon. I didn't see any patrols. I kept thinking I did, but there's just a whole bunch of streetlights there, so that's what that is. But anyway, guys, I'd like to say enjoy the video, but this is kind of a crappy video. Anyway, peace out, guys.